Borrowing to subtract. Let's look at our example. The machinist made 52 shafts on a lathe. The foreman took 34 shafts away. How many shafts does the machinist have left? The first step is to write these numbers clearly in the two columns. We have 52 shafts, and the foreman took 34 away. We need to subtract. If we look at our ones column, we see that we cannot subtract a 4 from a 2. That is why we need to borrow or regroup this tens column. We're going to take one of the tens away, making that 4 tens, and bring it over here as 10 ones. We write those up here to the upper left of the 2. That gives me 12 ones minus 4. That equals 8. I now come to my tens column. Putting the diagonal slash reminds me to use the 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. We have 18 shafts left. We're now going to check our work by adding the 34 plus the 18. 4 plus 8 is 12. I put down the 2. I carry the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. 52 is the same number I started with. We've checked our work and we know we are correct.
This is 3/8 copper tubing. If I have 45 feet of tubing here and I cut 27 feet off, how many feet of tubing do I have left? Let's do the math. We have 45 feet of 3/8 copper tubing, and 27 feet were cut off. So we have to deduct 27 feet. 5 minus 7, and we can't do that. This number is too large. So we have to borrow 1 10 from the tens column. 4 minus 1 is 3. And we put the 10 then over into the ones column. Now we can deduct. 15 minus 7 equals 8. 3 minus 2 equals 1. So we have 18 feet. Let me go into a little more detail about borrowing. We started with the number 45. Now the 4 is in the tens column, and the 5 is in the ones column. Now we couldn't subtract 7 from the 5, so we have to borrow now from the tens column. So we take 1 10 from the 4, which makes this 3, and we take that 10 and put it over into the ones column. Now that changes that 5 into 15. Now it's really the same number. It's 30 plus 15. Now with this being the 15, we're able to subtract the 7 from the 15, which gives us the 8.
Please pause the video now and complete the problems in your workbook. When finished, press play, and we'll continue with the next lesson.